Okay. Let's wait for more people to join. We'll start shortly. Okay, all right. Welcome everybody. I see that a lot of people are joining. I'm super excited to have every one of you here on this call. We're supposed to have this every Tuesday by 1 p.m., but we've not had it. I believe you can hear me. Just drop on the chat if you can hear me, what state or what country you're joining from, and so we'll know where people are joining in from. Just drop where you're joining in from, and let's see. Let's see. Okay, all right. I think more people are trying to join. Let's just give 2 minutes, then I'll start teaching. All right, someone's joining from Abuja. Okay, so awesome, guys. So why I do have this live session is because I believe in the power of Forex trading to really help you to be able to get to a point where it can empower you to be able to earn good money, especially in any they literally make, and it's just been phenomenal. And so I hope through this live session, it's just all right. If you're yet to be part of the community, please kindly you'll see on the screen there's like link, this https slash forward slash t takes you to the Telegram community where you can just stay there, and I share all my trades, right? Those I share free trades there. Those are like, at the basic level. All right. So for now, I want to do some analysis because I know most of you guys are here. Would always call out trade, and we'll just make money on the life like this. So life like right now, right now, right now, right now. So before I come, I've been waiting for some setup, and I'm looking at it. All right, we're looking at it, and so if you can see my screen, so this is I would teach, but let's just see if we can look at any other opportunity. So you know that for those of you who are here and Forex is just basically exchange of currency. And I will always give this illustration, just like any other business. We just like traditionally, we just trade currencies. We are traders, right? Just like the market woman who sells fish in the market. What does she do? She goes, she buys the fish for a very reasonable price, and she just add her price. Fish have its exchange rate, right? Things are not fixed every time. There's what we call exchange rate. You can go to buy one. It's just at the current exchange value, right? If you want to buy that thing at that time, what it would cost. So that's what we do in, right? We speculate on currencies and commodities. Forex allows you to trade different things, stocks. You can trade currencies of country. You can trade gold. This gold people wear in their neck. You can actually trade it online, and you trade silver, we trade oil, and all of these things. So it's just a way of you to be able to participate in a market that allows you and affords you the opportunity to be able to, speculate on the prices of all global assets and to be able to get to a point where you make money from doing that. All right, so today we'll be looking at some pairs, GBP USD, and let's do some analysis. Let's see, and I'll be taking some of your questions. So first thing I'd always tell you, I'd always go to the weekly time frame because market moves in trend. And so what does that tell you is that markets, right, especially on the higher time frame, it tells you over that period of time what has been happening in the market. So currently this is a GBP USD, so it means that this Great British pounds against United States dollars, right? And over time, what have you seen? That the price has been on an uptrend. If I should draw a trend line now here, you'll see that this price has been good. I want to use simple terms. One of the reasons why many people lose money in forex is that they go against the trade trend. So what does it mean to go against the trend? So just imagine this chart like a, like a, what do I call it? Speed train. So the speed train has been going up, and you're not trying to sell. What would happen to you? It's likely that the market will always go in the direction of the majority of the people. So one thing people do is they do try to center their sentiment and their bias towards a particular direction, but it doesn't work so. Look at what is happening. It tells you what the majority of people are doing, and you just stick to it and you just keep doing it, right? So, and that is how you get to simply doesn't complicate. So now in the weekly time frame, I've just been saying that it has been on an uptrend, but I just see that it's been following a trend. So another thing comes to the next point. The market does not move in a straight line. For the fact that it has been on an uptrend does not mean it will just be going up arbitrarily, right? It will just go up like a straight line. It does. Market moves in zigzag form. It goes, it rests, it goes up, it rests, it goes up, it rests. As you can see here, right? So understanding that tells you that okay, even though we are buying, we have to know where we are in the market because market does not never moves in a straight line. So now you can see that there's a pattern that has been consistent. You see this touch one, it went up, it touched the second time. So what are we expecting? That this is coming down now. Before we expect to buy this market, it's definitely have to retest this line here the third time. Then we'll know it's probably going up, right? It's very simple. So on GBP USD, though is a buy, but on the higher time frame, we're seeing that it's still there's still chances for this thing to retest at this line. So we'll be considering this sell. So I go on a daily time frame to see if that analysis corresponds. And what can I see on a daily time frame? It's selling and it's trying to come to this zone. So the next thing I want to do is I'll come to the 15 minute. 15-minute time frame is where you just um, uh, um, it's the this sorry, my network is breaking. My network is breaking. So let's wait for the network. So it's kind of breaking. So let's just watch. Let's see what's definitely going to happen. Um, shit. Um, let's just hold on a bit. Sorry guys, my network has been breaking very seriously. Um, just give me a sec. My screen has been loading, so trying to see. Okay, yeah, I think it's back. Right, nice stuff, nice stuff. So don't forget what I'm teaching you guys, right? So some of you might necessarily need to go back and like just watch this. This is how I analyze the chart every day. I just keep it so very simple, and take away the complexity from this trading thing. Yeah, right? If there's anything that you cannot teach, 5 years old would understand that there's no that you really don't understand it yet. So now we've come to the 15-minute time frame, and you had a trend line we drew, and so see the trend line down. Yeah, see the trend line so down here. So what am I expecting now? So if you're here, you can go in for a sell. I would share this trade. So I'm expecting on GBP USD. So one thing I like to do is to target at least times two of what I'm. So this red place, it's called stop loss, right? So for those of you who are new to trading, who do not know what stop loss is when you enter a trade, you are actually risking some amount of your capital. Get into a trade, you are actually risking some amount of your capital, right? So trading is the business that allows you to determine how much you are willing to risk in that trade. If you are wrong, it's an order you give it to your broker and say, okay, if I'm wrong and it go against me this amount, please automatically close me out. So let's say you have an account of $1,000 and you enter a trade. Let's say you enter this trade now, and you tell your broker, okay, if this goes against me here, maybe for some people, depending on your lot size, here can mean $20. Here can mean it can mean $30. It can just mean anything, right? Because it's just 19 pips. like almost 20 pips. It can mean $2,000 for some people, right? So if you're here, you can go in on this trade. Let me share it on the Telegram community. If you're here, let's see. The SLB. So if you're here, you have your account funded, and the stop loss is 1.3149. Network. Um, all right, so sorry, my network was breaking for a second, and so someone is asking what broker is the best broker to use. So the best broker I'd advise and I recommend to use is called XNES. XNES is the best broker you use. They are forced to have low spread, fast withdrawal, and to deposit in naira, and they have gives you very different options to be able to do that as well. So let's go back to our analysis. So now you look at, so I've called out this trade on his sell, and let's see how it's doing. So if you had gotten in when I told you to get in, you would be in profit already. So you're already in profit. So how do I know that this trade is going to give us a lot of money today? I told you already. So well, if you are risking any money on this trade, you'll be making times three by the time it goes on our favor. All right. So there's this. So let's look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. I know many of you like this pair. So go to the weekly, and on the weekly, we see that all this week, all throughout this week, we're expecting buys on gold, right? So if you're selling gold, you are really going to be in trouble. So because it's just buying, you see, it's been on a downtrend, but it's here, broken is taking away this low, Now I'm just trying to break this resistance and it just keep going up, 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 up. So for gold, now if you must get into a gold trade now, what is time now? I think let's go in for a buy. I've been looking at this person and I'm expecting a buy. Let's see if we can make money quickly on this person. So gold buy. I'll share to the community now. Let's see how this goes. Times two. So let's see if we're going for the buy. So if you're here, buy gold now. Buy gold now. We're on two trades already. Buy XAU. Yes. So our stop loss is all right. Right. XAU USD. Sorry, I'm posting on the group. So if you're here, ensure you enter on that trade. Buy XAU. All right, stop loss. All right, if you had enter, you're already making money already, like straight up, no drawdown. So the stop loss is and I'll teach you a secret I just learned about trading this week. I'm not, so, I'm not supposed to share it now, but let me share with you guys. So 3 6. All right, so all right. All right, so we're on two trade. Gold is already in good profits. GBP USD is already in good profit already. So we have two pairs going in. So if you are here, you have any question? Is there any pair you want us to do analysis on? You like me to help you check? Just drop it on the chat and I'll help you do analysis on that pair. Is there any pair you're looking at? You'd love me to help you analyze? Just let me know and I'll help you check it out. Trading is not luck, guys. Trading is not luck. If it was luck, it's gambling, right? There are principles to use to be able to determine your entries. So I want you to see it like that. Outcomes can be predictable, right? So if you understand how to learn, right? So just be part of my community to learn how this works. See, I just call out two trades, and two of them were already in good profit already. If I was guessing, right? If I was guessing, it's not going to be possible if I was guessing this thing. So, guys, ensure you take the time to learn how to trade. This is something that could change your life, literally, honestly. Can change your life. Imagine being on your smartphone in your house and you can make thousands of dollars without having to or needing to work with anybody for someone. It might take you a while, it might take you time, you might lose money in the process. But then it's just keep learning, doubling down on what works, and just keep going gradually, gradually. Trust me, you guys went to school for 4 years, and most of you guys, your certificate, you've not even used it. But imagine you commit half of that time, maybe 12 months, 10 months in trading. You can imagine what you can do literally. I'm telling you, you cannot give 10 years or 5 years to trading and you don't become a multi-millionaire in dollars. So guys, so please make sure you take this skill set through learning. I have also amazing videos on this YouTube on this channel. Ensure you utilize them, take advantage of them, right, and learn. Don't let don't keep going year after year, year after year, and nothing is working, and you keep still struggling for 10K, 20K, and all of that. You can empower yourself. And my goal is I do not want people who think that only illegal means they could only use what do they call it, illegal means to make money, that they cannot use a nice way to make money. It's a lie. You can see we are making money. You understand? Understand? You can make money legitly. You don't have to steal. You don't have to kidnap. You don't have to go into fraudster. You can make money literally. You can make more than you can make legitimately without stealing. So we're already in good profit, and on gold. If you had entered on gold, we're already in good profit. Uh, and GBP USD still leading that range, but we're already in good profit. So I'm waiting for this candle to close. I'm waiting for this candle to close. Immediately the candle closes, then we'll be we'll know what the next candle will do for us. So we're already in good profit, and yeah. So does anybody has any question? You have any pair you want me to check? If you have any question, just drop it out. I would love to answer your question now. Because by one, at least this video, I don't want it to be more than 30 minutes max, right? So yeah. They will all be fine. Those people are all eating life. Now you define the way now. I think I like in that sector. Okay. You can fall down to the good for it. And they will. Children has a job to fall on a very steady job. Right. A job where there was no need to sort of job. All right. No questions. No questions. No questions. All right. No problem. Oh, we're already in massive profit here. We're already in massive profit. Massive profit. Like today, you see gold is going to give massive profit today. Massive profit. Massive profit. Right. Massive profit already today. I'm so certain. I'm so sure. Like I just know. But still, yeah, it's one thing I've learned about trading is no matter how good you are, you still have to stay humble, because when pride begins to come in, right, what happens is the market can really humble anybody. Can humble anybody. So you see, we're in profit. Um, right, so all right, so let's see. Let's have like 2 minutes to earn. In less than 2 minutes, we'll see what would happen. So ensure you subscribe to this channel, right? Subscribe so that you can get notified. You can learn from the best, you know. So let's see the next candle that gets the form. Let me see what's happening. BTC USD. All right. Yeah. 26 seconds. And it doesn't bother me to see you treated very well. Sure, you don't give a fuck, so you know. Sure. Maybe they don't their own folks or back up or drop someone. Okay. Why the fuck is he not here yet? Yeah. All right, so it's not our business. We're both in profits. Let's see what happens. Wow. Again, another candle just formed. Get ready with me to go to work. What was that video you did that day? You see? The one where I saw that video. I didn't see the person to discuss this. Alright, guys. Simply hit. So if you are any of this trade, you should be making money. And thank you so much for joining. And we deliver today. Please have an amazing day. And take care of yourself. Every Tuesday, same time, 1 p.m. Please ensure you tune in.